Keeping your gem clean is easy. When cleaning glass surfaces, simply use a liquid household glass cleaner to remove normal dust and dirt. To remove heavier substances like oil or grease, use isopropyl alcohol. When done, wash the glass with water and dry gently with soft cloth. When cleaning seats, use warm water and a damp cloth to remove dirt. If oil or grease gets on the seats, be sure to remove them quickly before staining the seats. You can use a solvent vinyl cleaner and then wash with warm water and a mild soap after. And note that although gem seats are water resistant, it's best not to let excess water pool on the seams to ensure seat longevity. When cleaning the rest of the interior, use warm water and a mild soap here as well. And for any interior cleaning, it's important to never spray water from a hose or pressure washer, as it can damage electrical components and seats. When cleaning the exterior, wash as you would any car or truck with a hose, mild soap, and a soft cloth. Avoid spraying directly onto any electrical components or through the seams in the exterior plastics. And when your vehicle is clean, just dry with a soft cloth and you're done. Keeping your gem clean minimizes wear and helps keep your vehicle looking good.